So now we would be proceeding ahead and we would be going ahead with the further configurations. Okay. Now we are going to jump into the configurations part. And on the other hand, Swati is already taking you with the business processes, the different business processes Swati is covering. And I would be now jumping into the order type part. Order type configuration, we'll be seeing it. Now, what is the importance of configurations, right? So basically what happens, your process okay, Sachin, if you're not able to join this session, if you are having any issues, you can go through the recordings. Recording would be available in 24 hours. Then you can go through the recordings. Whenever you will be having SD process, your SD process would be basically covered your business process, which you have in SD, is controlled basically through the two things: master data, and second is document type configurations. Okay. So in SD, in another modules, the document type configuration has a less control, but in SD, your process, that how the business would be doing the process control, a lot of process controls would be coming it through your document type configurations. What kind of document type configuration? Your order type configurations would be controlling a lot of things, a lot of parameters they have given into the order type configuration, which you would be able to fine tune, and based on that, you would be able to achieve the results which business is asking. Business is asking, my sales order should not be created if my quotation is not there. It should be always with reference to quotation. Okay, I should be having an immediate delivery, rush order would be there. So you would also have seen that to do the different business processes, consignment, rush orders, or the other processes, item proposals, we also have different document types, right? That's where the document type become very important in case of SD, because your document type would be controlling the process. So the key things which would be there, which you need to understand from the configuration part, your order type configurations, which would be at your sales order header. Okay, sales order would be having a three hierarchies, right? Sales order header would be there. Then items would be there. And under the item, schedule lines would be there. All of them, they are the different document types. Order type is linked to with your sales order header. Your item categories are linked with the items, how the items would be populated. And your schedule line categories is linked with the schedule line categories linked with the schedule lines. So item category will be controlling a lot of things at the item level. Schedule line category would be controlling a lot of things, how the schedule lines has been generated. And order type would be controlling a lot of things, how the sales order has been generated, the header of the sales order has been generated. Then we will be having a delivery types. Okay, the you after sales order delivery would be creating, so delivery type document would be controlling a lot of things while creation of delivery. Then we'll be having a billing type configurations. When the billing document created, a lot of parameters are controlled through the billing type configuration. And then there would be a copy control settings, because you are creating from sales orders, you are creating delivery, from delivery, you are creating billing document. So a lot of parameters which you have defined here need to copied here. A lot of parameters you have defined here need to be copied here. So you need to make sure that you have a good hand on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 core configuration. This is called core configuration. Apart from that, there would be another configurations would be there. There would be pricing procedure configurations would be there. There would be output determination configurations would be there, and there would be account determination configurations would be there, right? But these are the core configurations which would be controlling and having a lot of impact on your business process. So if business is asking for some specific process, you need to come here and check whether we have some parameters which we can fine tune to give you the right business process.